Okay, so let's continue with our controller functions. We already have the get bike, so we are gonna need the set function, the update and delete function. So first of all, npm run server, and okay, it's import 5000. I already have it here. I already open, okay, Postman, and it's working. So let's continue. Okay, so we have this function already. So what we can do is uh, we can put a comment here. Oops, not there, here. And this is just the get method. So the get method, like that. We can go here and just, I'm gonna type the whole thing and just copy it. So this is gonna be for the set, update and delete. Okay, so this one is gonna be set method. This would be the update method, and finally the delete method. Okay, so we can close this one, and instead of having this get bikes, so what we are gonna have is gonna be set bikes, just like that. So oops, or post bikes, like that. Let me see. What we are gonna do is we're gonna have into the routes. Okay, so we're gonna go into this one, and okay, so we have the get. We are gonna yeah, we can copy this rest, so all the way up to here, and just copy it right here, like that. And we can do the same thing for the next one. So we have this function post bike, so this one could be just update, oops, like that, update bikes, and this one delete bikes. Okay, camel notation. So we already have the post, that would be the set we are setting, and here we are gonna, for the update, I'm gonna grab this one and copy it right here. So we have the rest that starts 200 JSON message update bikes request param. So we're gonna do the same with this one, the final, and we are just pretty much delete the whole thing and just paste it. So we have the get bikes, post bikes, update bikes, and delete bikes. So pretty much as you can see here, so using get, post, put, and delete. Okay, so let me see. So we can close this one and save it. Let me see. Okay, so we can go into the bike routes, and now instead of having, for example, this whole thing, we can just get, it's gonna be post, let me see, post bikes, like that, and let me just paste the leave it like that. But what we need to do is to export. We need to export it first. So post bikes, then it's gonna be update bikes, and finally delete bikes, like that. Save it, and let me see, post, so let me see, post, yeah, post bikes, like that. So it's working. Now here is gonna be update, yeah, update bikes, and again we're just gonna go right here and just put delete bikes. Okay, and let me see. So okay, so it already did it for us here, because in this counts inside of this curly braces we only had the get bikes, but it automatically, it has populated the post bikes, update bikes, and delete bikes. Okay, so let me see. Okay, we can check it out right now, the methods, but first of all, what we can do is, yeah, let's check it out. So it's working, this one. Let me see the post. Yeah, create bikes, that's fine. Let me see. We are gonna go and put, so we're gonna go here, and now we need an ID, so it's gonna be whatever, so I don't know, any random number, so like that. Yeah, and now delete. So yeah, as you can see, it's working, and we can take it one step further, and we can go right here and just put router that route. So because as you can see, we have two points, so we have the slash and also the slash calling ID, so it's similar to, well, algebra, as you can maybe you can imagine, but we can connect it like that. So we're gonna have inside single quotes, we're gonna have the forward slash, and now we're gonna get. Okay, so it's gonna be get, and yeah, the name of the function, but here we can connect it with also post, and here is going to be the name of the function. So this one is going to be get bike, so it's going to be like that. This one is going to be yeah, post bikes, like that. And let me see, post bikes, yeah, and we can get rid of this too. Okay, and now we can pretty much do the same thing, paste it right here like that, and now it has to be forward slash calling ID, and instead of get, this one is gonna be let me see, instead of get is gonna be put, and this one is gonna be delete, like that, delete, and this one would be, let me see, yeah, this would be, let me delete this one and this one as well. So yeah, it would be update bikes, and this one would be delete bikes, like that, delete bikes, and we can get rid of these two as well. Save it. Okay, so let me see, it's similar to algebra, well, not just a little bit, so we have chained it so far. Let me see if I close this one, close that one, and okay, everything's, yeah, post bikes, so we have the get bikes, post bikes, update bikes, and delete bikes, that's fine. And here we can just go right here and go into get, and let's take out that ID obviously to see if it's working, and yeah, get bikes. Okay, now post, yeah, we're going to post, and let me see, create bikes, yeah, that's fine. And here you can name it post bikes, set bikes, create bikes, or whatever name you want to call it, but just keeping it simple. Now put. Okay, so let's put some, I don't know, yeah, whatever number, like that. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it has updated it, and now we're gonna delete it, so let's delete it, and it works.